Okay, so in this tutorial I'm going to be showing you how to install Next.js 15, and since the stable version has been released, I'm going to be showing you the new way of doing this. So let's get started. So to install Next.js 15 is the same way you install Next.js basically, which is npx create next app, and then I'm going to do a dot because I'm already inside the folder that I want to install this in. Now just choose the options. I'm just going to choose the default option. So now all of these dependencies will start installing, and this is going to take a lot of time. So I'm just going to come right back after the installation is complete. Okay, so as you can see, it says created Next.js 15. This is the name of the folder, by the way, at this. Okay, so basically it's installed all of this, and to confirm if you have installed Next.js 15 or not, that you can check by going into this. So it's next, and then it's 15.0.1, which is the current version right now. But as you can see, the stable version of React has not been released yet. So when that ends up being released, I will make a new video on this. So for now, this is how you install Next.js 15 stable version. Okay, now let's run the command to start our server. Now press enter. Okay, now as you can see, Next.js 15.0.1 has started and it's ready. So here it is. Here you can see the new next.js page, and you can go to the docs or check out the examples. So I hope you like this tutorial. Like and subscribe to stay updated about the latest tutorials like this, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.